Hello and welcome to day 55 of the n8n series. In the last video, we saw how do we connect our Google Calendar and how do we refine the prompt so that the agent can assist the user for booking or scheduling interview calls. But there were a couple of things that were missing. One, the time it was taking was 2023, so we will adjust that. And secondly, we also wanted to send these details to Google Sheets. So in today's video, let's see how do we refine these two things, and let's also look at how do we connect these agents to speak in our own voice. Let's get started. Firstly, let's head over to Assistants, and this is the assistant that we had. Now, one of the things that we could do is directly go to More, go to Integrations, right? And if you scroll down, then we should be able to see Google Sheets. Here, click on Connect. Connect. The same process that we followed for Google Calendar. So use your account. Give the permission, and we are all set. Let's quickly scroll down to check if it is connected, and there you go. Right, so this is connected. Let's go to Tools. Let's create a new tool here, and it is going to be Google Sheets. Okay, so Google Sheets tool name, we'll leave it as is. We will mention this tool is to be used to append the rows into Google Sheets after the call ends with the following details, right? 1, name of the candidate. 2, email of the candidate. 3, date and time of scheduled interview. Okay, now we'll have to give a spreadsheet ID here, and I've already created a interview scheduling Google Sheets here. So the ID is after d/ all the way until /edit. Okay, so we'll copy that, put it over here. Okay, the ID of the Google Sheet to append data to, right? Range, the range where the data should be appended. Okay, sheet 1 A to Z, and so on and so forth, right? So this is sheet 1, so we'll copy this, go here. Okay, we'll also put we have already given the name, email address, and scheduled date and time here. Okay, so it is A1 to A to C basically, right? So we'll have to use it in same manner, A to C. Okay, configure messages to be spoken during different stages of tool execution, and the messages we will leave it default values. Let's not change anything for now. Now let's move on to Assistant, and we'll have to put one more detail here, which is the present date and time, so that it understands the context of present date and time. It'll adjust its language accordingly. And for that, let's add something over here, which will be something like current date and time. Okay, is now date, and then this format. Okay, so if you actually copy this and check it in ChatGPT, nope. ChatGPT, ask what does this mean, right? Or you could ask the other way. I want to put it in Vapi. What should be the format, right? So you can see here, full weekday name, full month name, day of the month, full year, hour, 12-hour format, minutes, AM, PM, right? And the time zone. So that's what we are giving over here. Now once these things are set, let's click on publish and let's talk to the assistant.
Hello, I'm Neha from ABCD. How can I help you today?
Yeah, I would like to schedule an interview.
Certainly. I'd be happy to assist you in scheduling the interview. May I please have your full name?
Yes, my name is Ritesh Pegde.
Thank you, Sritesh. To confirm you.
So if you are observing, it's interrupting in between, right? So let's firstly check where do we make some changes for that. Okay, here, start speaking plan. We have wait seconds. This is how long assistant wait before speaking. Now, if it's an outbound call where the agent is making the call to the user, then user has to pick the call first and then speak, right? There is some delay there. And this delay is so that the agent does not speak as soon as the call is picked, but slight delay so that they can hear the entire sentence. Okay. So smart endpointing enable for more accurate speech endpoint detection. LiveKit is only available in English. Okay. So if you want to enable this, then you can enable it for Vapi or LiveKit. Okay. You can see here, LiveKit is only available in English. Okay. This is off for now. Let's keep it off. So this is to detect if the person has finished their sentence or not. Okay. On punctuation seconds, minimum seconds to wait after transcription ending the punctuation. So we'll wait for 0.1 seconds. Okay, after the punctuation ends. Now we have on no punctuation seconds. Okay, minimum seconds to wait after transcription ending without punctuation. So if the person has finished or not, if you have to understand, then we wait for 1.5 seconds if there is no punctuation, right? So for example, if I say, okay, something like that, right? Then it will wait for 1.5 seconds. And if I don't speak, then it will start speaking. On number of seconds, minimum seconds to wait after transcription ending with a number. If I am finishing my sentence with a number, then it does not understand if I've finished or not. Okay. And if that is the case, then it will wait for 0.5 seconds. We can play around this to refine how things happen. Okay. Now we also have a stop speaking plan. So this is the number of words that the customer has to say before the assistant will stop talking. So if the assistant is talking and if the user wants to speak in between, okay, should the assistant stop immediately? Okay. If it is 0, then yes, it will stop immediately. Okay. We can also refine this to like 1 or 2 or something like that, right? So 2 is always better. Okay. If you want to keep this, because sometimes when the agent is speaking, okay, we may say yes, right? You are not, you didn't mean to stop the agent from speaking, but you just wanted to mention that you're hearing or something like that. Okay. So 2 words is normally good. Okay. Voice seconds. This is the seconds customer has to speak before the assistant stops talking. Okay. If you want to control it with seconds, then you could play around with this one. Okay. So if the customer speaks for 0.2 seconds, then the agent stops. Back off seconds. This is the seconds to wait before the assistant will start talking again after being interrupted. Okay. So if you interrupt the agent and if the agent has to talk again, then you will have to stay quiet for 1 second. That is your users basically. Okay. So that's what this means. Once we have gone through all of this, okay, let's enable this smart endpointing because this is what detects whether we have stopped or not. Okay. This does it in a smart way, as the name suggests. So let's enable this and go with Vapi. Okay. And if we do that, okay, then we don't have to work on any of this, right? So it's smart enough to understand how the entire thing works. So let's click on publish. And let's see if it still interrupts us. Let's now talk to assistant. Oh yeah, so one of the other thing that we'll have to do is we created a new tool. We didn't add that in the tools section, so we have to add that. Let's go to tools and quickly add Google Sheets tool. Okay, that's very important. Let's click on publish and talk to assistant.
Hello, I'm Neha from ABCD. How can I help you today?
I would like to schedule an interview.
Certainly. I'm here to assist you with scheduling your interview. To begin, could you please provide your full name?
Yes, my name is Ramesh Ram.
Thank you, Ramesh Rao. Let me confirm this name. R-A-M-E-S-H-R-A-O. Is that correct?
Yeah, go ahead.
Great. Thank you for confirming. Next, could you please provide your email ID?
Yeah, my email ID is ram@gmail.com.
Thank you for providing your email ID. Let me confirm it for you. ram@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right.
Perfect. Now let's move on to scheduling your interview. Could you please let me know your availability between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. IST? This will help me propose suitable time slots for the interview.
Maybe 11 o'clock day after tomorrow.
Thank you for the information. I will verify my availability for 11 a.m. IST the day after tomorrow, which is Sunday, October 12th, 2025, and confirm it with you shortly. Please hold on. I am available for the interview at 11 a.m. IST on Sunday, October 12th, 2025. Shall I proceed to finalize and schedule it?
Yes, please.
Your interview has been successfully scheduled for 11 a.m. IST on Sunday.
Thank you so
October
much.
2025. You should receive
Yes,
an
thank you.
invitation email shortly at rpm@gmail.com.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure, and all the best for your interview. If you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Yep, thank you.
You're most welcome. Have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye.
Okay, it has not come here. Let's see what went wrong. We've added the tool here. Let's go to tool. Oh, description is gone. That's strange. Okay. Do we have this description here? No. Okay. Use this tool after the call ends to send the following details. Do I have this copied somewhere? Alright. Following details, and first one is name of the candidate, 2 email of the candidate, 3 is date and time of scheduled interview. Okay, so we've given the spreadsheet name, we have given the range, rest everything we have left it by default. Let's click on I think I forgot to click on save last time, isn't it? So let's make sure that we do it this time. Go back, let's refresh and see if the tool is actually saved with all the details that we wanted. Yes, it is. Okay, now let's come back to assistant and quickly see the tool. Yes, it is there. So we have published it. Let's talk to assistant.
Hello, I'm Neha from ABCD. How can I help you today?
I would like to schedule an interview.
If there's anything else I can assist you with, feel free to let me know.
Nope, thank you.
Your interview details have been successfully recorded. Have a great day and good luck with your interview.
Thank you. And there you go. So the name is corrected here, as we can see, and we also have got the email ID here and date and time of our interview scheduled. I'll first delete. Now, for those of you who are wondering why did it say that this is available, because I deleted that particular slot before I started the next this thing. Okay, so you can see here it is just this particular interview. Okay, now you could also see that the details has come to Google Sheets. Okay, but I want to show you how can this be done via n8n. Okay, so I'll go to n8n. I'll click on or rather use something called webhook. Okay, and let's change this to post. Okay, and let's copy this. Again, keep in mind this is the test URL. Once you feel that it's all good, then you'll have to replace it with the production URL. Okay, so we'll come here. Let's go at the end. We have something called messaging. So we'll go to Vapi and scroll down. We have something called messaging, and we put the URL over here, whatever we copied there. And once you want to make this live, you go to production, copy this and replace this link with the production URL. Right now, what this says is all the details that we get from this particular call, right, needs to be sent to that particular link. Let's test it out. So before we can test, we'll have to click on listen for test event. Okay, come back here, publish this, talk to assistant.
Hello, I'm Neha from ABCD. How can I help you today?
I'm just testing the webhook.
Thank you for letting me know. If you need assistance with scheduling
Let's disconnect the call. Let's come back here. And you can see we've got all the details along with the structured data, email ID, date, time, and full name, right? So because we didn't continue the call, okay, these are left empty, but we have those parameters. Now I can go here. I can connect to Google Sheets, right? Append row in sheet, document from list, and we could give it as ID also. We have this ID available here. Oh, and it. Let's put this ID. Okay, and sheet is sheet 1. And you get these 3 fields. We can go here. Email ID is here. Full name is here. Date and time goes here. Okay. We could also ask it to give this in certain format if you want, but we'll leave it as is for now. Okay. Also, we can add a filter over here, because we don't want anything to go ahead if we don't have these values, right? So full name is not empty. Add condition. Email ID is not empty. And date and time is not empty. Or let's remove this, because if we have the full name and email address, then ideally we can call them back to schedule an interview, right? So we'll put this. It will not go further, discarded it says, right? And hence only these details will go further. Let's click on save. I have to make it activated now, otherwise it will not work. So let me open this, go to production, copy this, okay, make it active. Got it. Okay, so it's active now. So I'll go here, replace it with this particular URL. Okay, good. Click on publish, and I'll also go to tools, or rather I'll go to assistant and remove the tools that is Google Sheets. Okay, so I've removed the tool. Let's talk to Assistant.
Hello, I'm Neha from ABCD. How can I help you today?
I would like to schedule an interview.
Certainly. I'd be happy to assist you with scheduling an interview. Could you please provide your full name?
Yes, it is Ram Rakesh.
Thank you, Ramrakesh. Could you confirm the spelling of your name for me, please? Here I have it. R-A-M, first name, and R-A-K-E-S-H, last name. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Ramrakesh. Could you please provide your email ID for communication purposes?
ram1@gmail.com.
Thank you. Just to confirm, your email ID is ram1@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Ramrakesh. Now, could you please let me know when you are available for the interview? Our possible interview slots are between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. IST. Please specify your preferred times.
Could be 3 p.m. tomorrow.
Understood. I will check the availability for tomorrow's 3 p.m. IST slot and confirm the interview schedule for you shortly. The requested slot of 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. IST tomorrow is available. Shall I proceed with scheduling the interview at this time?
Yes, please.
Your interview has been successfully scheduled. Date and time, tomorrow, October 11th, 2025, from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. IST.
Thank you so much.
Location online. You're most welcome, Mr. Ramrakesh. Best wishes for your interview. Should you need any assistance in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day ahead.
Let's end this, right? You saw that Google Sheets is not called. Plus, you also observed that the date has been corrected now because it has the context, right? Let's go here and see. These details has come here. And these details is coming here via n8n, right? So this is how you connect a webhook on n8n and send the details from Vapi so that you can process it further for anything. You could be sending an email for them. You could be doing any kind of automations. If you're collecting their mobile number, then a WhatsApp message, reminder, anything of that sort can be done. Okay, so you saw now the agent, voice agent, has been refined even further. It knows today's date and time, so it can contextually understand when the user wants to schedule interview and so on and so forth. And we also saw how do we connect it to Google Sheets in two ways. One within Vapi and one outside Vapi using n8n webhooks. And in tomorrow's video, let's see how do we clone our own voice and check out for outbound calls where the user will get called directly from the agent, which will be speaking in our voice. So, are you excited for that? I hope so. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.